I was very not confident to talk because I only learned English from MTV.
Before I came here, I don't speak English.
Before I study, I cannot speak in any English.
Actually, before I was shyer,
The goal of the program is to prepare students to succeed at Queensborough. Students come into our program, and after 1 or 2 semesters, they're able to join credit-bearing courses at Queensborough Community College to start their major. We try to have a balanced approach to all 4 skills in the class, meaning listening and speaking, while working on their academic skills, reading and writing.
I was so shy to talk with people. Right now, I don't think I'm shy anymore. In class, everybody just talking English. Everybody can talk with everybody. And that's one of the best things for me. New relationships, like new friendships. When I write something wrong, they come to me and help me. So improve a lot my writing.
The class is very, very funny. It's really good. I like that.
If you come QCC and if you take a Cliff class from QCC, you can speak completely, you can learn English.
There's no judgment. You're allowed to make mistakes and not be afraid to make them.
The classroom is a very dynamic place. It's intensive, 25 hours a week. Students are concentrated on the language that's needed for college, and I think that's really what makes it different.
It's great. I like they make me confident about myself. The teacher that was given to me is an excellent teacher. He has an incredible way how to teach us. He helped me to improve my skills communicating with people. So I think I will be successful in college.
The value of CLIP is immeasurable. CLIP is definitely the right program to go into if you're hoping to succeed in your future college career.
We have a course called College Knowledge, where students not only are learning English, but they're also learning how to email their professors, prepare for tests.
There's computer lab, writing, starting with writing a complete sentence and then going to a paragraph, then going to an essay.
You will learn time management skills. You'll learn how to do group work and how to speak in a culturally appropriate way in an American classroom. We also use New York City as our classroom. We try to help you experience New York in many ways that make you realize this is your city too. And this is the most affordable program. Many students in my previous universities would pay thousands of dollars for this program, and the CLIP program is only $180 a semester.
First thing, I think CLIP is very affordable. Second, you can make friends and blend into campus life if you've never experienced before. Third, QCC is a beautiful campus.
It will help it a lot. So don't give up on your dreams.
I recommend it. My sister gonna join CLIP next semester, and a friend. I have one friend too. So it's 2 new Brazilians for Queensborough next semester.
CLIP is like a big family to me, and I love it.
Perfect. Success.
It's amazing to see that happen, to see that magic happen in the classroom.